Hi, Populist. Steve here with a friendly reminder that we're getting pretty close to our quarterly company-wide Teams call. This is one of my most favorite things that we do as a company, right? It's when we're able to take a pause for about an hour. We're going to pay you for your time, and we're just going to come together as a company, right? We're going to celebrate who we are. We're going to talk about victories, of course, any challenges that we might be facing. We're going to have an opportunity to talk about any personal or professional bests that you might want to share, right? We're going to talk about some cleaning strategies. We're going to reflect on how we operate as a company under the EOS, right? We're going to have an opportunity for our president to speak to us. We're going to talk about some HR. It's awesome, right? Fantastic. There's not a reason why every single individual, right, team member shouldn't be on this call. This call is going to be Thursday, February 20th at 6:30 p.m. Be on the lookout for further correspondence, right? We send an email that will be able to click through that email right onto the call. So again, Thursday, February 20th at 6:30. And at the end of the call, I'm going to give away 3 $50 Visa gift cards just for being a part of the call. All right, y'all. See you then. Talk to you later. Bye.